Hari Om. Our humble pranams at the lotus feet of Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda Ji and Pujya Guruji Swami Tejomayananda Ji. Our salutations to all the acharyas present here and a very warm welcome to all the members of the Chinmaya family. We have now come to the culmination of the Chinmaya Anand Utsav, celebrations that we have all been thinking about, planning for, working at, and living it these last few months and days. How indeed does one celebrate the birth centenary of a master who treaded the path divine and nudged us, nay, urged us to follow in his wake. A master who compassionately strived through his Jnana Yagnas to change us from Vimudhas to Amudhas, as Guruji candidly described. A master who wanted to give back the Gita to us when its words had been blurred because of the fogging of our Jnana Chakshuhu. A master whose vision saw that we, ordinary, unworthy souls, also got a glimpse of the hallowed Vedantic truths. We can only offer our hearts to him. Today, this Gita Utsav sees each and every devotee put their heart and soul into this event that celebrates the traditions, the talents, and most of all, the inspiration of the Chinmaya family, Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda Ji. We now invite Swami Medhajananda Ji and Madhuri Sheth Ji and H.P. Ishwar Ji for the ceremonial offering of the flowers. We are indebted to these selfless pioneers of the mission who have taken Gurudev's vision to such lofty heights. I welcome them on stage.
जय बोलो सतगुरुनाथ महाराज की। कुछ मजा नहीं आया। जय बोलो सतगुरुनाथ महाराज की। जय बोलो राजा रामचंद्र महाराज की। जय बोलो भारत माता की। बहुत ढीला है। जय बोलो भारत माता की। मजा आया ना?
The last week saw us learning at the feet of Pujya Guruji, a blissful 5 days of enlightenment on the verses of Purushottama Yoga, the chapter 15 of the Bhagavad Gita. It's now time for a reality check. Dear fellow students, we are now going to be quizzed about the teachings of the chapter 15 Bhagavad Gita. One thing that we surely don't need now is the Apohanam power, but we could do with a lot of smriti though. Best of luck to each of us. I now request Brahmachari Veda Chaitanya Ji to call out the names of all the participants.
Hari Om all. Salutations to Pujya Gurudev. How many of you attended all the 5 sessions which Pujya Guruji conducted? Very good. How many of you gave quiz on all the 5 days? So how was it? Easy, difficult, very difficult. You see, every day we had 2 winners. Initially it was lucky winners, you know why? Because so many of them gave correct answers. But towards the end, it became winners. For last 3 days, we only had 2 people who had all answers correct. So all those 10 people, can we open the curtain? So here are the 10 winners of the quiz, and now they are having bigger task in hand as they are going live in front of all of you. Some people said to me, you know, Swamiji, many people saw in the book and gave the answers. Many people knew the questions from before. Believe me, they did not know the questions before. And now, in front of you, you will know that they are not cheating. So let me introduce all the contestants today. First group on my left side, Dr. Mrunal Baghel. Eli Sundaramji, winners of the first day. Second group, Dr. Leena Ganguly. There was another winner, Mr. Naveen Tantriji, but some problem happened in his house and he just called half an hour back saying that he cannot come. So we have Indira Amma with us, who has gracefully agreed. Indira Amma, as many of you must have seen her on the bookstall, her first 3 days, her all answers were correct. But I did not choose her because she is a volunteer. I wanted to give chance to the new people, but now because of this emergency, she is here with us, winners of the second day. Third day we have Maya Nandakishore and Prahlad Chatterjee. Fourth day winner, Lakshmi Kumarji, and host of Gita Utsav today, Dr. Gitanjali Tauri. Fifth day winner, Hamsini ji and Krishna Ravulji. So these are the 10 contestants today. Now can we have Mr. Ram Kumarji on stage? He is our conductor for today's quiz. The entire quiz is prepared by him and he will be conducting the quiz. We also have Mr. Rajesh ji for the time and score checking. And I'll be just sitting there just to enjoy, okay? Can we have a big round of applause for these 10 people? Wish them all the best. I know that they should be little more in the center, but they need to see the screen. Therefore, they are sitting like this. Okay? So all the best to all. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om, and welcome all of you. Good afternoon to this Gita Utsav Gita quiz. First of all, hearty congratulations to all of you for making it on the stage. So we have 15-20 minutes of quiz, and believe me, it's very simple because I wrote it. So, right. So, but I do hope all of you are prepared. All 20 chapters, all of you. Sare 20 chapter पढ़ लिए गीता के. Okay. So we'll start with the first round. The first round, let me put the rules before that. There are questions for the audience too, so please wait for your questions. But do not prompt when they are trying to answer. So it'll make the quiz that much better. So round one is, what you will see on the screen is an English translation of a very popular shloka. You have to answer, you have to tell the verse in Sanskrit. Okay, if you are able to answer it correctly, you get 10 points. You get 15 seconds to look at the question and answer. So you will get 10 points if you get it right. If you don't get it right, it passes to the next team and they get 5 points for it. There are bonus 5 points if you're able to chant the entire stanza. Okay, I know it. I wrote it right, so. All right, can we have round one, question one, please? Okay, so this is what the English translation says. You have the right to work only, but never to its fruits. Let not the fruits of action be your motive, nor let your attachment be to inaction. Team A. Your time starts now.
Shloka. Karmanne vadikaraste mapaleshu kadachana mapale heturbuhu mate sangorta akarmani.
So much we can grant that?
Yes. 10 plus 5.
10 plus 5, 15 points, well done.
Caution to the audience. No prompting, okay?
Yeah, no.
I am sitting here so that I'll hear you. No prompting.
Okay. We have actually given names to the teams. So team A, this team is called the Anand team. The second team is called the Gyan team. The third team is called the Bhakti team. The fourth team is called the Samatvam team. And the fifth team is called the Moksha team. Okay. So here now we come with the second question coming up on the screen. For the upliftment of the good and virtuous, for the destruction of evil, as also for the re-establishment of righteousness, I will come in every age after age.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य संभवामि युगे युगे.
Is it correct answer?
Is it correct answer?
No, it is not correct answer. The correct answer, anybody from the audience? Vinashaya cha dushkritam
Answer, please.
dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. You chanted one verse before.
Before that, yeah. Yeah. All right. So the third question to the third team. Elevate yourself through the power of your mind and not degrade yourself. For indeed the mind can be your friend and also your enemy. Gyan
No prompting.
उद्धरेतात्मनात्मानम् आत्मानम् अवसादयेत् आत्मन्नेवात्मना बन्धो आत्मन्यरिपुरात्मनः.
Very good.
Correction is there? हाँ.
आत्मैव चात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः.
Correct. Correct. Chalo.
So we grant 10 points or
10 plus 5.
15 points. Very well done indeed. Your round, your question. Next one, please. Flower, leaf, fruit, or water. Whatever I am offered with pure heart and devotion, I accept with joy.
पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्तिर.
Almost time. It's time, but you got it. So can we have the answer on the screen, please? There you go. So Vijay, you get 10 points.
10 points.
10 points for you. Very well done. Last question of the first round to the Moksha team. Abandon all varieties of dharmas and simply surrender unto me alone. I shall liberate you from all sinful reactions. Do not fear.
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः.
Very well done.
15 points. Very
15
good.
points. Correct.
He gave extra information also. 18 chapter 66 to us. Well done.
We have the next question and we will throw it open to the audience. So, it is far better to perform one's naturally prescribed duties, though tinged with faults, than to perform another's prescribed duty, though perfectly. In fact, it is preferable to die in the discharge of one's duty than to follow the path of another, which is fraught with danger.
Audience.
Audience, no uncle, no.
Ishwar uncle, I am not going to give you. You think? Anybody else?
Some youngster.
Somebody chanted correctly. Shreya.
Somebody, yeah.
Paradharmo. Very good.
Very good. And the next question is actually a buzzer for all of you. Whoever raises your hands first can answer that question. Okay? So you have to tell me the Gita shlok of what comes up on the screen. On the screen, please. What you shall do tomorrow, do it today. What you will do today, do it now.
Yes, second team.
कल करे सो आज करे सो अब.
I asked for the Gita shlok, right?
Okay.
It was supposed to be fun. It's Kabir Dasji's Doha, not Gita shlok. So we are at the end of round one. So what are the scores, sir?
Team A is 15 points. Gyan team, they have to begin the score. Bhakti team, 15. Samatvam team, 10. And Moksha team, 15.
Quite a good competition going on. All right. We move to the second round. This is on chapter 15.
There is no Gita verse like that. That is the answer. It is Kabir Dasji's Doha. Kal kare so aaj kar.
Aaj kare so kal.
Aaj kare so ab.
So this is the chapter 15. I'm sure all of you have heard Puja Guruji all 5 days. So this should be very easy to answer. So the way this runs is a question will come on the screen. Okay. You can answer, it has got multiple choice also. If you don't want the choice, you get 10 marks. If you want the choice, you get 5 marks. Right? And the question passes to the next team, they get 5 marks. Clear? So you can choose to answer without the options, or you may ask for the options. Clear? So we'll go the same way. Okay. Team A, first question for you. What does the word Ashwata actually mean?
People tree.
People tree. Do you want choices?
Wait. I repeat the question. What does the word Ashwatha mean? Read properly.
What does the word Ashwata mean?
Firm.
Word meaning.
Firm.
Firm.
Fixed. Firm.
Fixed. Do you want choice or shall I pass it? Choice, please. Does it mean a horse? Does it mean something that is ever changing? Is it a medicine for digestion, or is it Ashwatthama's son?
Something that ever changing.
Say on mic.
Something that is ever changing.
Something that
points.
is ever changing. Shall we give it?
5 points.
That's correct answer. 5 points. Second question, please. The first verse describes samsara as a tree or a vriksha because
Vriksha is a tree, but it also means that which can be cut.
very well done.
10
indeed.
points.
10 points.
Very good.
Cut down, yeah. Okay, the third question to team 3. Oh, yeah. What is the weapon to be used to cut the tree of samsara?
Asanga Shastrena, non-attachment.
Very well done.
10 marks.
Nobody needs choices now. Okay. Fourth question. The two unavoidable conditions for success in meditation are
Purity of mind and clarity of intellect.
Big claps.
big clap.
Next.
Last question of this round. So it's easy. You have to put this in order. This verse, you have to put it in order. Ready? Go ahead.
Shotram chakshusha sparshanam cha rasanam ghranameva cha adhisthaya manaschayam vishayanupasevate.
Very well done. So we've come to end of 5 questions. There are 2 more questions which will be in the buzzer format, and this time no tricks. Okay. So there are no tricks in this question. So it's an actual buzzer round. So please, the way we will do it is you will have to raise your hand. We will be judging who raised the hand first. Okay. Can we have the next question on the screen, please? The Lord says He is seated in the hearts of everybody. What is this heart?
Second.
This heart is not the physiological heart, but the metaphysical heart, which is the mind which is purified of the Vikshepa.
Purified mind,
good.
yes.
Very good. 10.
Can we have the options also? That's option B, the tranquil and alert state of mind. Thank you very much. Then the last question on this, in this round, next question please. Yeah. So which of the following is illumined by consciousness?
Fourth.
This team, I
Fourth
think,
group.
yeah. All of them?
Yeah.
Knowledge of any subject, forgetfulness, even the lights in this auditorium? Yes. Sure.
Say it on mic.
Yes, yes.
So what is the answer? A, B, C, D, E?
All of the above.
E. Correct. 10 marks.
We should ask for some discount, I think, the lights off. All right. That comes to the end of round 2. Do we have the scores?
Anand team at the end of 2 rounds, 20. Gyan team, 20. Bhakti team, 25. Samatvam team, 30. And Moksha team, 25.
So we have a lead here, the Samatvam team. All right. So the next round is called Find the Gita word. Like you have Find a Good Word. It's very simple. You just have to fill in the blanks. We'll go this way now. Okay, so you'll find something coming on the screen. You will have to fill up the blanks in the screen. It's very
Repeat.
easy.
They are not able to listen here.
You're not able? Oh, sorry. So the next round is fill in the blanks round, find the Gita word. So you will find a part of a sentence, you will have to fill the right word with it, right? So the first question of the third round, please. Dash karmashu kausalam. Moksha team. You have to fill in the blanks. Dash karmasu kaushalam. 10 seconds.
Say it on mic. Say it on
Say
mic.
it on the mic. Time passes to the next team.
Yoga Karma Sukaushal.
5 points.
5 points to you. Well done. Actually, the picture on the screen also gives you a hint. So the next question to the Samatvam team. Dash yoga uchyate.
Samatvam Yoga Yuchyate.
Well done.
10
Samatvam
points.
yoga uchyate. Next question to the Bhakti team. Dash labate jnanam.
Shraddhavan lavate jnanam.
Very well. And to the next team. Dash vinishyati. Vinashyati. Look at the screen.
No prompting. Time. Time up.
Time.
Next.
Buddhinashat pranashyati.
No.
Wrong.
Passes again to your team.
Wait. I'll come.
Pass.
Samshayatma.
Correct answer.
Correct answer. Samshayatma pranashyati. Avinashyati, sorry.
Second team. The first team.
To the first team, dash. Yad yad dash shrestha tad tad eve tarojana. Yad yad dash shrestha tad tad eve tarojana. Passes, question passes.
यद् यद् करोति श्रेष्ठः तत् तत्
Question passes.
Yad Yad Acharati.
Yad yad acharati shrestha tad tad eve tarojana. Right. I think that's the last question on this round. So, what's the score?
You can tell the next round's rule till that time score. is
Yeah,
there.
that's a good idea. This is the last round, so this is your chance to make up, and this is a buzzer round. Okay. So in this buzzer round, you have to it's called chant Gita and chant Krishna. So we will tell you a situation, something that is mentioned in the sloka, and you have to chant that sloka. Again, it's a buzzer round. If you get it right, plus 10. If you get it wrong, minus 5. All right? Ready? So let's hear the score now.
At the end of round 3, Anand team 20, Gyan team 20, Bhakti team 35, Samatvam team 55, and Moksha team 25.
So we clearly have a lead, but doesn't mean they are going to be the winners. This is a buzzer round, so you guys take your risk. Plus 10 for the right and minus 5 for the wrong answer. So you will find a situation mentioned, you will have to tell the shloka. All right? Do they have to tell the entire shloka or part of it?
Entire shloka.
Entire shloka. So the competition gets more
So
difficult.
simple, no? Is it difficult? No, very simple. Very simple. Okay.
All right, can we have the first one, please? This verse talks about the Lord supporting the earth and nourishing the plants. I think it was that team. It was that team, yeah.
You say.
Gama vishya bhutani dharayamyaham pushnami chaushadi sarva somo bhutva rasatmakaha.
Correct.
Plus 10 points. Good, catching up. The next verse. This verse talks about the analogy of the wind taking the fragrance of the flower.
Fourth group.
This team.
Shariram yadavapnoti yachapyutkramatishvarah gृहीत्वैतानि samyati vayurgandhani vashayat.
Excellent. Plus 10 to you. The next one, please. This verse talks about the Lord being the digestive fire in the stomach of all
Again
beings.
fourth. Again fourth team.
Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva
Can chant together.
Praninam Deham Ashritah Pranapanasamaयुक्तः Pachamyannam Chaturvidam.
Plus 10.
Very good.
The next verse. This verse talks about the soul changing the body as one changes
Third
clothes.
Third team. Third team.
वासांसि जीर्णानि
Correct,
यदा
correct.
विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि यथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि.
Plus 10.
Plus 10, very good.
This is from 15th chapter, right?
No,
No?
second.
Oh, second chapter.
The next verse, please. This verse talks about the Lord taking care of all needs and security of the devotees.
Fourth group.
Ananyāścintayantō māṁ ye janāः paryupāsate teshāṁ nityābhiyuktānaṁ yogakshemam vahamyaham.
Correct.
Plus 10. Yep. And I think that brings us to the last question, which was this question, and probably to the end of the quiz as well. What is the score now? We have the scores coming up.
My question is very simple, Who do you think is the winner? Me? The question is simple, answer is not simple. All are the winners. All are the winners. What Bhagavad Gita says, whenever you work in a selfless attitude, you are successful. Correct? This I tell in Gita chanting competition also, right? This is for elders. So the quiz may have a winner, but actually all of us are winners. Why? Because we have gained some knowledge, we have learned something, and thanks to Puja Guruji for having this wonderful yajna, because of which we could know so many things about Bhagavad Gita. Now let us go to quiz winners.
Yeah. The score, I have the scores. Anand team is on 20. Gyan team is on 20. The Moksha team is on 35. The Bhakti team is on 55. And winning today's competition is the Samatvam team at 85 points.
Can I please request Swami Medhajananji to come on stage and felicitate all the 10 winners as well as the first winner of today's quiz competition.
Anand team, congratulations and well played. The Gyan team,
Little loud.
the Bhakti team, the Moksha team, and the winning team, the Samatvam team. Thank you, Swamiji. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you for playing in full team spirit. Thank you all for being a great audience and encouraging everybody. Thank you all.
This year's Gita chanting competition had a tagline, Chant Gita, Enchant Krishna. To enchant Krishna, the winners of the Gita chanting competition 2015 Mumbai level have come today. The Lord must indeed be delighted Let's begin. Unto him our best.
Little more clapping, please. They are so small, children. Just to give you an idea, this year being the birth centenary of Puja Gurudev, we have international level Gita chanting competition. The final level of international is going to happen in 2 days. 22nd is the final of international. And Chinmay Mission Mumbai is the center with highest number of participation in the entire world. We had more than 21,000 children participating in this year's Gita chanting competition. Out of them, 84 went for state, 3 of them went for national, and 1 of them is going for international also. So I think they deserve this appreciation totally. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the Sevikas from all the zones who have worked tirelessly in this entire process of Gita chanting. A big round of applause to all of them. Now we will have the mass Gita chanting. 15 chapters, so all of us have also learned. It will be displayed on the screen also. So this time children are going to lead, right? Om Shri
Paramatmane Namaha Atha Panchadashodhyayah Purushottama Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Urdhvamulamadakshakham Ashwatham Prahuravyayam Chandamsi yasya parnani Yastam veda savedavita Adhashordhvam prastasya Guna pravriddha vishaya pravada Adhasya muranyanu कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्येह तथोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा ततः तत्परिमार्गितव्यम् यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी निर्माणमोहादिसङ्गदोषाः अध्यात्मनित्या चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितं यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानः नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः यदादित्यगतं तेजः जगद्भासयतेऽखिलं यच्चन्द्रमसि यच्चाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धि मामकम् गामाविश्य च भूतानि धारयाम्यहमोजसा पुष्णामि चौषधीः सर्वाः सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधं सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टः मत्तस्मृतिर्ज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यः वेदान्तकृद्वेदविदेव चाहं त्वामिव पुरुषौ लोके शरश्चाक्षर एव च शरः सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः यस्माक्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः यो मामेवमसम्मूढः जानाति पुरुषोत्तमं स सर्वविद् भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तं मया नघ एतद्बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत ॐ तत्सत् श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे पुरुषोत्तमयोगो नाम पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्
Great moment for all the parents also to see their kids as winners on stage. Can we have Abhishek in front, please? Please come in front, Abhishek. Please come in front. He is our winner. He's qualified for the international level. Wish him all the best. His competition is in 2 days. Abhishek Raburam, D group winner.
How can our offering of song be complete without the beats of music accompanying it? We belong to a generation of fusion, be it cuisine, language, or even dance and music. We witness one such unique presentation, Wow, a percussion-based fusion based on chapter 1 of the Bhagavad Gita. I invite Brahmachari Veda Chaitanya ji to introduce the theme.
I know many have seen the pamphlet that Gita Utsav had, and there was something called as WOW, WOW. Initially, they thought that it is acronym of something, WOW. What we are planning, what we are trying to do here is, you see, the first chapter of Gita actually has got a lot of emotions into it. First, the war is set up. Dhritarashtra asks, what is happening exactly? Sanjay, please tell. So Sanjay starts telling. Then there is a sequence of Duryodhana approaching Dronacharya and saying all the foolish things that he should not say. Then comes our hero, who is not acting like a hero, our Arjuna, who tells Sri Krishna to take the chariot in between so that he can see who he has to fight with. But after going there, he goes through a nervous breakdown. Suddenly everything starts to look very difficult for him. And it continues. He continues giving arguments. Sri Krishna tries the shock treatment. It doesn't work. Then Arjuna finally understands his mistake and surrenders unto Lord Krishna. And the Upadesha of Bhagavad Gita starts. Now this theme, the team that is going to present to us on behalf, in front of all of us, the entire thing they are going to show through percussions. So there are many rhythm instruments. There will be only chanting of verses, just to give you an idea what sequence is going on. So can we open the curtain? This is our team of Chinmay Fine Arts from Kharghar.